Sam recently said when they announced like the agent platform, he was like, new solutions make new problems. And it's true with these new technologies. They create new bad actors, or they create bad actors that can do new things with these tools the same way that you can do it for good. And I think we're gonna see some, unidentified yet, uncertain ways of like how bad actors can create things with agents or with these like AI generated deepfake tools, these video generators. But you can't ignore the superpower with it. And I believe that like OpenAI, Perplexity, Gemini, Claude are being responsible. Yes, I would say they're the most, I call them the core four, the most responsible with your data over the alternative. Like don't just use any AI that gets pushed to you in a sponsored post on Instagram, right? Because you don't know who the team is behind that product.
Yeah, so stuff to like change your face in a picture or something. It's like you don't know, yeah.
You don't want to do that. And the horror stories that we hear with like things that have happened with like character AI, I just think they were just too early at the time. It was just like not enough guardrail understanding. And they were just too quick to the market. They just wanted to jump into the market without putting the right guardrails and had these, user-generated chatbots. Not even like company-made chatbots, but user-generated chatbots with no guardrails that were telling people to do really bad things.
Yeah.
And so you're always gonna have that. So you wanna make sure that you're using really vetted, trusted, well-built, no different than you would wanna use a car that was by a trusted, well-built.
Sure.
You want to drive the Volvo.
Not the kid like around the corner who just put something together for you.
Exactly.